This quick guide will teach you how to hyperlink in Wufoo. Hyperlinking in your Wufoo forms can enhance user interaction by allowing them to easily navigate to additional resources or related content. Whether you're directing users to an external website, a help document, or just another form, creating hyperlinks in Wufoo is a straightforward process once you know how to do it. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your form inside the form builder. This is where all the magic happens. If you're not familiar with this area, it's where you can see and edit all the fields and elements of your form. Once you have your form open, the next step is to select the specific field where you want to add your hyperlink. You might be considering a section break field, a field label, or maybe even a questions instructions for user text box. The choice of location depends on where you think the link will be most useful for your users. Now that you've identified the right spot, it's time to incorporate the hyperlink. This involves using a bit of HTML, but don't worry, it's simpler than it sounds. You'll need to copy and paste a standard HTML link structure directly into your text field. The structure looks like this: angle bracket a href equals quotes https:// example.close quotes angle bracket. Type your display text here, angle bracket / a angle bracket. In this piece of code, you'll notice placeholders. You need to replace these with your actual web address and the text you want to display to users. So, instead of https:// example.com, you'll insert the full URL of the site you want your users to visit. And instead of type your display text here, you'll write the text that you want users to see as the clickable link. This could be something like visit our website, learn more, or any other call to action that suits your form's purpose. Once you've made these changes, double-check the URL and display text to ensure there are no typos or errors. A small mistake in the URL can lead users to an error page instead of the intended destination. It's always a good idea to test the link yourself after saving the changes to ensure it's working correctly. And that's it! You've successfully added a hyperlink to your Wufoo form. This small addition can make a big difference in how users interact with your form, providing them with additional information or resources seamlessly. Remember, hyperlinking is a powerful tool that can enhance the functionality of your forms by guiding users exactly where you want them to go. Whether you're linking to a product page, additional instructions, or a survey, this simple HTML tweak opens up a world of possibilities. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial on hyperlinking in Wufoo. Now, you can go ahead and start adding links to your forms with confidence. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy form building!